Here from Valley Shenanigans. I wanted to show you guys something real quick. I was out there fishing Eastman Lake, hooked onto a fish, and on that hook set, as I was reeling them in, there was tension on that line. It was kinking up the line. So I was looking at my rod, and sure enough. So today we're going to replace this guy. This repair, you'll only need a few things. You'll need the rod tip repair kit, of course, some pliers, some sort of heat source if you have a heat gun. I'm going to use a good old lighter because that's what's pretty much available to everybody at home. First things first, you guys, we're going to go ahead and heat the tip up, kind of spreading the heat out evenly. You know, make sure you don't breathe any of this stuff. You guys probably want to do this outside here. Grab your pliers. Want to go ahead and get this all cleaned up and take this epoxy out and stuff, and this resin with 3 tips. We only need 1 of them. So once you get the kit opened, there are 3 different sizes. And you have to determine which size is for your rod. More often than not, it's going to be the smallest tip available in your kit. What you're going to want to do is heat up your glue here. Dabble some here on the rod tip a bit. You want to go ahead and warm up the replacement tip just a tad bit. Go ahead and get up in here and just slide it there in place. Make sure you line it up just like so. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up a bit right now as soon as it dries up a bit. Use a micro guide, but you're not gonna be fraying up your light every single time, which is, I think, a little bit more important, to be honest. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button. If you have any comments, have you guys ever broken and replaced a tip before? Comment down below.